Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you guys? I hope you are enjoying good health. Guys, today the topic that I want to notice is about an aircraft that was developed by Russia. As we all know, Russian and American technology is right now very competitive against one another. So they both want to develop something that are unique and that cannot be handed over to other, and that's why they both nations, Russians and Americans, working very hard to find different new methods to make new technologies and to make themselves feel proud. And so today the aircraft that I want to bring in front of you all is Sukhoi SU 57. Sukhoi SU 57 is very modern, is very competitive, is very effective aircraft, and one of the best aircraft in the whole world. Sukhoi SU 57 is basically a stealth technology aircraft. It means it cannot be visible on radar, normal radar. Enemy cannot find the aircraft traveling on their air, and this aircraft can easily reach near its target and can attack both air to air and air to ground strike. And imagine a very effective mighty machine that is basically made for destruction is above your heads, and you even cannot notice that machine. So this is the Sukhoi SU 57, made by Russians, and a twin engine aircraft, a stealth technology multi-role fighter aircraft that was developed by Sukhoi. It was initiated in 1999 as a more modern and affordable alternative to the MFI. Sukhoi's internal designation for the aircraft is T-50. The Su-57 is the first aircraft in Russian military service designed with stealth technology and is intended to be the basis for a family of stealth combat aircraft. It is very expensive to build, so just almost 15 to 18 units are built till now. That was revealed by Russian. We don't know how many units behind them is secretly operated by Russians. And let's see about some characteristics, some basic role of this stealth technology aircraft. Role: multi-role fighter, national origin of course Russia, and manufacturer Komsomolsk on Amur aircraft plant. Design group Sukhoi, first flight 29 January 2010, 12 years ago. It was introduced in 25 December 2020, recently. Status: it is in service. Primary user Russian Aerospace Forces. Produced 2009 to present. Number of built 16, as it is these units that Russians revealed. Variant Sukhoi HAL FGFA. So this is the mighty effective, you can say competitive to American aircraft Su-57 of Russia. Hope you like this video.